I'm your new tutor. I've gotten 99th percentile and/or perfect scores on the ACT, SAT, and GMAT. I've tutored the ACT and SAT for over 5,000 hours, and I've coached students to perfect scores. I graduated from Yale magna cum laude. All right, you know what? Welcome to Prepmedians. We teach through sketch comedy, parody, music, and rap.
Yeah, I'm a connecting word. Use me for locations. Make a clause longer. Connect words to phrases. Prepositions.
She was on Broadway.
Jay-Z's raps got tons of connections.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Are your strategies as good as my tutors? No. For and nor, but, or, yet so. They're better. Cross them both out. Prepmedians will help you out, because learning is worth laughing for. What's up, Prepsters? Today we are teaching punctuation between two independent clauses with our annual punctuation fact.